Welcome, friends, to our enlightening YouTube channel dedicated to providing essential health knowledge. Today, we take on a topic that touches millions globally: epilepsy. This neurological disorder is more common than you might think, and knowing how to respond when someone has a seizure could be life-saving. Knowledge is power, and knowing first aid measures for such situations is a power we should all possess. In today's video, we'll delve into the step-by-step process of the recovery position for epilepsy. Understanding the recovery position for epilepsy is crucial, not just for medical students, but for everyone. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help ensure safety during a seizure, and it's something that we can all learn. Let's delve into the details step by step. Firstly, protecting the person from injury is paramount. This means removing any harmful objects that may be nearby. Look around and consider what potential hazards could be present. Next, cushion their head. Use whatever is available: a jacket, a pillow, or even your hands. The aim is to prevent the person from injuring their head during the seizure. Once the seizure has ended, it's time to gently place them in the recovery position. This involves laying the person on their side with the head tilted back. This position helps to ensure that the airway remains clear, preventing any potential choking hazards. Remember, it's crucial to stay with the person until recovery is complete. This can provide them with reassurance, and you'll be able to seek further help if necessary. Each of these steps is important in its own right, but together, they form a comprehensive approach to managing seizures. It's about more than just knowledge. It's about taking action. The recovery position is a vital procedure that can make a real difference in a person's well-being. So, let's keep these steps in mind and remember the importance of the recovery position in managing epilepsy. Now that we've covered the recovery position, it's time to discuss the broader aspect of first aid for epilepsy. First and foremost, it's crucial to keep calm and reassure others who may be nearby. Panic can exacerbate the situation and make it more difficult to handle. Secondly, it's important to remember not to hold the person down or try to stop their movements. This can cause injury to both the person experiencing the seizure and those trying to assist. A common misconception is that something should be placed in the mouth of a person having a seizure. This is not only incorrect, but can also be dangerous. Lastly, if the seizure lasts longer than 5 minutes, it's essential to call for medical assistance. Prolonged seizures can have serious consequences and require professional medical attention. Being equipped with this knowledge, you're now prepared to provide aid in an epilepsy-related situation. Just to recap what we've learned today, we've gone through the step-by-step process of the recovery position for epilepsy, along with essential first aid practices. Remember, your actions can significantly impact a person experiencing a seizure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-related knowledge.